We've got long boats, short boats, skinny boats, fat boats, little boats, big boats. Wood boats, rowboats, tall boats, low boats, fancy boats, paddle boats, houseboats, airboats.
Airboats?
Boat boats, fast boats, slow boats, fishing boats, ski boats, sailboats, motorboats, jet boats. Heavy boats, light boats, glass boats, and thousands of accessories. We've got inboards, outboards, metal boats, race boats, party boats, river boats, pleasure boats.
Woo!
Covered boats, open boats, day boats, plane boats. Dang, we got a lot of boats.
The Seattle Boat Show, January 16th through the 25th, King Dome at Pier 66.